Oof. What's up, you guys? So today, since my last video didn't go as planned, I'm gonna get this video uploaded sooner. And this is the video I'm gonna show y'all right now. Bam! It's gonna be this right here. This design was inspired by Vincent. Go check out his channel if you haven't already. It's super awesome, super nice guy. And do not forget to subscribe. It really helps. Because all I need is for my video to be at the top whenever people search it. That's all I need. I just need people to click it, and the more you guys click it, and the more you guys share it and like the video, the higher that the video will rank up on the list. So please just do that, and just a few clicks will really help me a lot. So yeah, I really appreciate that, you guys. And I hope y'all like the video. I'm not gonna have it deleted like the last one, okay? So yeah, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. I'm corny. That was dumb. That was corny. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Jordan's channel. I'll put the link down below. Let us both know what you guys think of our designs. And yeah, he's really awesome. Go buy some of his shoes. Or if you want, you can buy some of mine. It doesn't matter. I support everyone. So just go do something and support your local artists. Bam. See y'all next time. Peace.